Today I want to do a review of the salad shooter. You know, for so many years we cut up everything to make a salad. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. These salad shooters are pretty neat, so I've pulled a few things out of the refrigerator and just get the paper off this cucumber here. You actually have to cut up a few things before you put it in. It has to fit inside the salad shooter. If it won't go down the chute, you can't cut it up. So that fell right in. Pretty simple, easy to use. Guess what, Barb? Didn't like that. I plucked up. So if your salad shooter gets plugged up because there's something that it doesn't like to cut, and it looks like it does not like the bell peppers, so you'll have to do the bell peppers by hand. I don't remember, maybe I haven't cut bell peppers in the past, so you know for the future. But one thing I like is that carrots kind of clean things up. So we'll put the carrots in. And if things get plugged up, you have to stop and take it apart. So it's not the absolute perfect thing to make, but it makes for kind of a neat salad. So as you can see, easy to take apart, but when things get plugged up, you have to go back to cutting things up manually. So, I don't think I need to say too much about the salad shooter. I think you just saw how a salad shooter works. Good, bad, makes for kind of a neat vegetable salad. Now I'm just going to serve up the salad. Oh wow, here's our meal. And I have a couple of other shows that are right here that are related to this, and if you'll click on them, the video will continue.